Hello everyone, welcome to Anita Mandarin, and today we will talk about the four tones. I know lots of learners, they may find it difficult to pronounce the four tones, so hopefully after my explanation, you will find it's easier to understand. Okay, let's get started. So as you can see, there are 5 lines there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from bottom to top, and we can see it as a pitch. Just like in music, different pitch. And the bottom line represents the lowest pitch, and the highest line is the highest pitch. Okay, so the first tone, as you can see, it's on the top line, and the tone mark is very stable, which means the pronunciation is also very stable. So pronounce with me. As you can see, the second line is from the middle to the top. Going up, Okay, continue. The third one is the trickiest because there's a turning point there from the second line to the bottom and then up to the top. So the sound, like in music, there should be a turning point there. So it's okay, from here, And the fourth one is quite straightforward. It's from the top line to the bottom. So, Yes, it sounds like you are a bit angry. In English, there's no tones, but people can pronounce the word in different way to show different emotions. So for example, like use what. The first tone, it can be what, okay, show something is unbelievable. And the second tone, from middle to top, okay, like English, it can be what. So what, like to show a surprising feeling. Okay, the third one is like what, even more surprising. Okay, and the last one, I won't use what, I will use another word. Shut up. Okay, shut up. That is a fourth tone. So as you can see, there's similarities there. Okay, so now please try to pronounce it with me again. Let's use as an example. Okay, third one, and the fourth one, I noticed that some of my students, when they first try to pronounce tones, they like to use their head, to help them to pronounce, or you can use your hand as well. So it's totally okay at the very beginning, as long as it can remind you of the tones. Now let's do some practice. The second line, ni, Third line, how. And as you can see, there's a word afterwards, which is ni hao. And here, I want to mention there's a third tone change rule here. So which means when there are 2 third tones get together, the first third tone will change to the second, and the second will remain. So it becomes ni hao. I like to tell my student that when you encounter a word or a sentence with more than 2 or 3 third tone get together, in this situation, just remember, keep the last one, the third tone, or the previous one, just change to the second tone will be fine. Okay, let's continue. Li. Bo. Li bo. Okay, continue. Ling. 林娜，林娜。Okay. 撸，卢，鲁，路。鱼，鱼，雨，玉。So here some people may ask, it's y and u. Why you don't pronounce it u? Because when you, this final, when you write it pinyin independently, then the two dots will disappear and you will put e in front of it. When you see y and u together, remember the sound is yu. Let's continue. Ping, ping. And the name here is Lu Yu Ping. Okay. 我，我。很，恨。See here the word 我很好. So here is a 3 third tone get together. Remember, keep the last one the third tone, and the previous one all change to the second. 我很好，我很好. Okay. Last one. 也很好，也很好.